Why is nobody talking about how an Igbo man made the first African-made car and how he was silenced? The Izogu Z600. In 1997, Dr Ezekiel Izogu, an Igbo engineer, designed and developed the Izogu Z600, the first African-made car. The car was equipped with a self-made 1.8-liter engine and had 90% of its parts sourced locally. The federal government set up a panel to investigate the car's authenticity and roadworthiness. After a clean bill of health, the government promised a grant of 235 million naira to Dr Izogu, but the grant was never released. In 2006, South Africa invited Dr Izogu to set up a plant and begin production of the car. However, before he could do so, his factory was robbed and various machines, tools and designs were stolen. The incident frustrated Dr Izogu, and his dream of mass producing the Izogu Z600 died. The loss was estimated to be over 1 billion naira and 10 years of time and energy. Tell me in the comments if you think that this robbery was politically motivated.